Number 1. The XGC 88000 crawler crane is a monster of a machine. With a lifting capacity between 3,600 and 4,000 tons and a maximum boom length of 144 meters, it's the largest track crane in the world. It's powered by three 641 kilowatts US Cummins engines and even has a separate section for the counterweight, ensuring maximum efficiency. This crane is perfect for those huge projects where you need the best of the best. Number 2. Komatsu 960E. Komatsu 960E, the heavyweight champion of mining trucks. This Japanese giant, launched in 1995, boasts a 290-ton payload and a robust 3,600 GP diesel engine. Its sheer size and power, measuring 15.6 m in length, 9.19 m in width, and 7.37 m in height, are truly awe-inspiring. Speeding at 63 kilometers per h, it's a marvel in mining machinery. Number 3. Liebherr 996. The Liebherr R996B. This excavator is built to handle the toughest conditions, from minus 50 degrees Celsius in the Arctic to the blazing heat of Australian mines. Weighing 676 tons and powered by two Cummins K 1800 EE engines with a combined output of 3,000 GP, it's a true behemoth. The R996B features a bucket capacity of 36 cubic meters and a shovel capacity of 34 cubic meters, making it an excellent match for the Liebherr T264 mining truck. Number 4. Terex RH170. The Terexo and KRH170, a marvel of engineering prowess. Uncover its capabilities with a maximum digging depth of 22.97 feet and the strength of 24 cylinders. Featuring a substantial 1,664.3 gallon fuel tank and a hydraulic system capacity of 792.6 gallons. It guarantees uninterrupted operation. Its steady 4.7 revolutions per minute rotation speed and swift 1.62 miles per hour movement make it a force to reckon with in the world of excavation. Number 5. AGCO Challenger MT 975B. AGCO's Challenger MT 975B is a farming powerhouse. This tractor boasts over 600 GP and a maximum weight of 27 T, making it the most powerful production tractor out there. Its 18.1-liter engine and 1,500-liter fuel tank are ready for the toughest jobs. With the industry's widest and heaviest frame, it's built to last and handle the biggest tasks with ease. Number 6, bulk cutter. The bulk cutter, the world's first deep-sea mineral extraction vehicle, is a true engineering marvel. Weighing over 300 tons, it stands as the heaviest unit ever built for underwater mining. Its cutter head is powered by an impressive 1.2 MW, delivered via an umbilical from the vessel. The design and engineering required to create a launch and recovery system for such a massive machine were unprecedented, resulting in a specialized ship-based cantilever system. Number 7, Liebherr T284. The Liebherr T284 mining truck is an engineering masterpiece. Designed to handle the toughest mining conditions, this truck can carry a payload of 363 tons, making it one of the most capable mining trucks in the world. Its massive size, with dimensions of 15.7 meters long, 7.4 meters wide, and 9.7 meters high, is impressive. The MTU DDC engine, with 20 cylinders and a weight of 10.4 tons, produces 3,600 horsepower and a torque of 14,457 nanometers, ensuring it can handle any load. The T284 also boasts reduced fuel consumption, making it both powerful and efficient. Number 8, Komatsu PC 1250. The Komatsu PC 1250, your ultimate solution for heavy-duty jobs. Boasting a 514 kilowatts engine and a 6.7 cubic meters bucket, it's built tough to handle deep digging up to 5,025 mm and wide reaches of 3,000 mm. Whether it's clearing construction sites or extracting minerals, this machine delivers unmatched performance and endurance. Number 9, the Caterpillar D10 bulldozer, manufactured between 1977 and 1987, was a game changer in its time. With 700 horsepower, it was the most powerful track-type tractor ever built. Its elevated drive sprocket improved durability and operator comfort. It could handle a massive 19-foot U-blade and weighed in at 180,000 pounds. Number 10, Hitachi EX 5500. Get to know the Hitachi EX 5500, a giant in the field of excavation and mining. This machine is equipped with a high-performance QSK 45C engine that produces 2,700 GP, paired with a bucket that can carry up to 40 cubic yards of material. It offers a max dig depth of 30 feet and a cutting height of 68 feet, making it versatile for a wide range of tasks. The EX 5500's hydraulic system holds 1,638 gallons of fluid, ensuring smooth operation. With a robust build and advanced features, this excavator is designed to boost productivity and efficiency on the job site. Number 11, Liebherr LTM 1500 8.1. The Liebherr LTM 1500 8.1 is a mobile crane that sets the standard. With a lifting radius of 50 meters and a reach of 70 meters, it's designed for maximum efficiency and power. Weighing 96,000 kilograms and powered by a 500 kilowatts diesel engine, this crane is perfect for heavy lifting jobs. Its debut at Bauma 1998 marked the beginning of a legacy of reliability and versatility. Number 12, seeing the ES6 45 in action is like watching a giant monster trying to crawl on the ground. Produced by the former Soviet Union, this massive machine weighs 688 tons and stretches an incredible 70 meters long. It's no wonder they made it a walking excavator. Any regular wheels would be a joke on this beast. Number 13, Homer T440. Power, efficiency, and sustainability come together in the Homer T440 Beat Lifter. Its 652 GP Mercedes engine and wide conveyors ensure high productivity, while the Smart Drive system offers ease of use. Lighter than its competitors, it minimizes soil impact and maximizes performance. With a 45 cubic meters tank and quick discharge, it's designed to handle large-scale beet harvesting with ease and reliability. Number 14, Tesmec Evo Surface Miner 975. Its ability to handle hard and abrasive rocks with ease, coupled with its innovative EVO technology, ensures maximum productivity. With a Cat C9, 3B engine and 375 GP, its ability to dig up to 35 centimeters deep and 290 centimeters wide, it's built for efficiency. Plus, the low ground pressure and advanced hydraulic features make it versatile and cost-effective. Number 15, Weiler B 758. Weiler B 758 track feller bunchers provide industry-leading lift capacity throughout full reach, a key benefit in large timber. With powertrain features, a Cat C9 engine certified to EPA Tier 3, primary, secondary, and tertiary fuel filters, including water separator. A robust undercarriage utilizes proven components, customized for demanding forestry conditions while maintaining industry-leading ground clearance. Number 16, Zoomlion QAA 2000. Zoomlion's QAA 2000 crane, first seen at Bauma, China 2012, has redefined heavy lifting. After passing rigorous tests, it lifted 750 tons at a 10-meter radius. Tailored for wind power construction, this crane includes groundbreaking features like a honeycomb frame structure and more than 80 patents. The QAI 2000 is a powerful testament to Zoomlion's innovative spirit. Number 17, Big Bud 950. The Big Bud 950/50th is back and better than ever, thanks to a rebuild by Big Equipment Company. Upgraded from a Big Bud 525/50th, it now features a Cat 3508 engine, delivering 950 GP. With Goodyear DT 930 tires and a weight of around 40 tons, this tractor is designed for heavy-duty farming. Its automatic steering system ensures precision and efficiency, making it a top choice for farmers looking to maximize productivity. Number 18, ACO 600 UBAS. ACO 600 UBAS, Africa's biggest tractor. Built in 1994 by Alf and Koos Koetser, it's sad that the ACO factory closed, but the legacy of these tractors lives on. With a 25-ton base weight and a V12 ADE 444 Ti engine, producing 820 GP. This machine was designed to handle the toughest jobs. Number 19, Queen Mary 2. Did you know the Queen Mary 2 cost around $300,000 per berth to build? That's a testament to its luxury and quality. Designed for transatlantic crossings, it's built with 40% more steel for durability and stability. With a top speed of over 30 knots and a cruising speed of 26 knots, she's faster than most cruise ships. The integrated electric propulsion system using diesel engines and gas turbines is a technological masterpiece. Number 20, PR 776 Latronic. The Liebherr PR 776 Latronic Crawler Dozer, the ultimate machine for tough jobs like ripping, transporting materials, and grading. It has an operating weight of up to 73,189 kilograms and a blade capacity of 22 cubic meters. The heart of this beast is a 565 kilowatts, 12-cylinder engine, providing a massive 768 GP. With all Liebherr components working in harmony, this dozer offers unparalleled reliability and efficiency.
Number 21, Sandvik Toro TM TH663i. The Toro TM TH663i is an absolute beast for underground environments. The Toro TM TH663i's advanced engine options and ergonomic cabin design help operators work efficiently and comfortably. The Stage 5 engine, which uses low-sulfur diesel, reduces emissions significantly. Plus, the ergonomic features like air conditioning and noise-reducing materials make it a pleasure to drive. Number 22, Regio Design XXL Chopper. The Regio Design XXL Chopper is a record-breaking giant. Standing 5 meters tall and 10 meters long, more than twice the length of a middleweight, this massive bike is not just a display piece, but a fully functional ride. Weighing in at 5.5 tons and powered by a 5.7-liter V8 engine from Chevrolet, this beast produces 280 horsepower. And it's not just for show. It can actually be driven on the road. Number 23, Hyundai R450 LC7. The Hyundai R450 LC7 excavator is a 45-ton machine with a powerful 263 kilo, 357.68 HP engine. Its impressive digging depth of 30 meters and a hydraulic pump capacity of 200 bar ensure top performance on the toughest jobs. With dimensions of 17 mm x 340 mm x 300 mm, this diesel-powered excavator is designed for large-scale construction and excavation projects. Number 24, Versatile 555, a 1984 powerhouse. This tractor's 210 HP Cummins engine and 4x4 drive are perfect for heavy-duty work. The 9.1L 8-cylinder diesel engine packs a punch, measuring 253 inches in length and a 10-foot wheelbase. It's a formidable machine on the farm. Which machine impressed you the most? Drop a comment below to let us know. Number 26, DS300, Socadima. The Socadima DS300 Trencher is a game changer for construction and underground installation projects. This specialized machine is designed for trenching, making it perfect for laying cables, pipes, and other underground systems. Its powerful diesel engine, with 50 to 100 horsepower, ensures high performance even in the toughest conditions. Number 27. Wirtgen W2000. The Wirtgen W2000 is a versatile, compact milling machine perfect for a wide range of tasks. Weighing in at 27,700 kilos and powered by a Cat C15 engine with 433 kilowatts, 583 HP at 2100 RPM, it boasts a 2200 millimeter drum width and can cut up to 320 millimeter deep. The Level Pro active leveling system and mill assist control make this machine incredibly precise and easy to use, ideal for both surface layer and complete pavement removal. Number 28. MTM 600. The MTM 600 not only offers a 15-ton gripping, lifting, and tilting capacity, but also maintains low noise levels under 80 dBA, high-speed, maneuverable, and low noise. It's everything you need for efficient ring rolling and transport. The load sensing system is a fantastic addition too. Number 29. Boeing 747. The Boeing 747, nicknamed Jumbo Jet or Queens of the Skies, is one of the most recognizable aircraft worldwide. It pioneered the wide-body, twin-aisle design and was the first commercial jetliner to feature two decks. Produced by Boeing's Commercial Airplanes division in the United States, the initial version of the Boeing 747 was 2.5 times larger than the Boeing 707, a prominent large commercial aircraft of the 1960s. Number 30. Pavelli STV Jazz. The Pavelli STV Jazz trailer stands out with its unique sliding and tilting rear axle design. This innovative feature allows the operator to prepare for stacking operations in less than a minute. And with that, we've reached the end of today's journey. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned for our latest videos every day. Wishing you moments of relaxation and enlightenment. Until next time, take care.
And with that, we've reached the end of today's journey. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned for our latest videos every day. Wishing you moments of relaxation and enlightenment. Until next time, take care.